Ever heard the one about President Biden playing Santa for homebuyers? No, he's not delivering houses down the chimney, but he's got a pretty sweet $10,000 tax credit in his sack of yes, you heard it right. In his recent State of the Union address, Biden slipped this little nugget into the mix, aiming to make homeownership more affordable. This isn't just for those on the nice list, but for all first-time homebuyers and those wanting to spruce up their current digs. Now I know what you're thinking, is this just another real estate jest? But I assure you it's no jest. This tax credit is aimed squarely at middle-class families, those less than 200 grand a year. Consider it your golden ticket to homeownership, designed to give the real estate market a tickle. But remember, just like all good jokes, it has a punchline. It's a limited time offer. It's here to help millions of families buy homes in 2024 or 2025. So if your household earns less than 200 grand and you're scouting for a new home, let's just say Biden's turned into the real estate comedian of the year. But wait, hold your horses, there's a catch. You know how it goes, right? The superhero swoops in to save the day, but there's always a villain lurking in the shadows. In this case, our villain might just be the tricky terrain of Congress, especially with an election year on the horizon. See, these proposed tax credits, as beneficial as they may be, still need to navigate the winding, unpredictable road of legislation. And let's not forget, this isn't a one-man show. It's a full-blown ensemble cast featuring our friends at the Federal Reserve. They're expected to play their part by cutting interest rates, easing borrowing costs, and attempting to make the dream of homeownership a little more attainable for middle-class families. But here's where the plot thickens. These reduced rates could stimulate demand, sure, but they could also stoke the fires of inflation. It's like trying to balance a seesaw, isn't it? On one end, we have affordability, and on the other, we have a potential rise in costs. It's like a romantic comedy, isn't it? Just when you think you've got your happy ending, there's a plot twist. Now, let's hop on the real estate roller coaster ride. Picture this. You're strapped in, ready to take on the dizzying heights of high interest rates and the stomach-churning drops of surging home values. It's a thrilling yet daunting ride, isn't it? But wait, there's a twist in the track ahead. The proposed tax credits, a $10,000 lifeline thrown out to first-time homebuyers and those looking to upgrade. It's like a safety bar on this wild ride, aiming to slow down the ascent of the rates and cushion the fall of the values. These credits aren't just about providing a thrilling ride, though. They're designed to unfreeze the real estate market, stuck at the peak of the roller coaster, and assist millions of families in buying homes. It's like the moment the ride operator hits the go button and the roller coaster and the market start moving again. But remember, this is a roller coaster. There will be ups and downs. There will be twists and turns. And there will be moments of exhilaration and moments of fear. But isn't that part of the thrill? So, while we're waiting for this roller coaster to take off, you might want to start saving for that dream house. And remember, laughter is the best estate agent.